National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Del Norte County in Northwest California until 7:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm 10 miles northeast near Cascade or 12 miles near Darlingtonia, moving west at 30 miles an hour. Other locations in the warned area include
milk.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Del Norte County Emergency Management. At 6:50 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, reports of the severe thunderstorm approaching Crescent City have been confirmed to be an anomalous thunderstorm. The storm contains radioactive materials. These materials are considered to be deadly. Exposure to these materials would cause serious injuries and possibly death. The storm is expected to arrive in Crescent City at around 7:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Evacuation orders have been authorized for Crescent City. Contact your local authorities or dial 911 for more information for evacuation.